Suzuki Maruti SmartPlay systems can face issues like freezing, Bluetooth problems, or software glitches. Resets are key troubleshooting steps. There are three main types: soft reboot, a quick restart for minor issues; factory reset, which wipes the system for deep-seated problems but should be used cautiously; and Bluetooth-specific fixes for connection issues. Know when to use each: soft reboot for screen freezes, factory reset for persistent errors, and Bluetooth fixes for pairing problems. Regular OTA updates are decreasing the need for manual resets, but understanding these procedures is still important. For a soft reboot, press and hold the power button on the SmartPlay unit for 5 to 10 seconds until the system restarts. This quick reset clears temporary glitches while keeping all your settings and data intact. For a factory reset, navigate to Settings, then System, and select Factory Reset. Confirm the action and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the process to complete. Remember to back up your navigation data, contacts, and other important information beforehand, as this reset will erase all customizations and paired devices. To fix Bluetooth issues, go to Settings, select Bluetooth, and choose Forget All Devices. Then restart the SmartPlay system. If the problem continues, perform a full factory reset as described earlier. Remember to avoid any resets while driving to stay safe.